Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix black screen on your Instagram. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply close this page, and then let me tell you that you have to update your Instagram. For that you have to open Play Store or App Store. Now I'm going to open App Store, and from here you have to search for Instagram. And from here, if any update available, then you have to update your Instagram and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply open settings and scroll it down, tap on general, and then you have to tap on iPhone storage. And let me tell you that you have to offload app from here. In case of Android, you have to clear cache or clear storage of Instagram. So now I'm going to search Instagram. So you have to tap on offload app, and after that reinstall the app and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply open any browser in your phone, like I'm opening Google Chrome here. Now you have to write Instagram login, and then tap on first link. And from here you have to give your phone number or username or email address, and then you have to give your password from here, and then you have to log in your account in it for 20 or 30 minutes. And after that what you have to do is just simply open the app, and after doing all these things, I'll guarantee your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.